Good morning, students. Today my topic is subject and predicate, chapter 15. Before I start with all this, I'm going to start with this chapter. I would like to talk with you that very soon your exams, very soon in the sense the date and the course is already has been shared with you all, and we have completed 14 chapters in grammar. Out of 14, 1 to 13 is your course of grammar, in which fill in the blanks and many more MCQ questions are there, fill in the blanks are there, true or false are there. Okay, so please everyone start studies and all that. Also, this exam is compulsory. This is your first terminal exam. This is not your unit test. This marks will going to affect on your annual exam. So this exam is very much compulsory. Okay, so now let's start chapter 15. Chapter 15 is about subject and predicate. What is subject and predicate? We always say that in sentence we have verb, we have subject and all. So the sentence is divided into two parts. The first part is what? First part is subject and the second part is predicate. If I read over here, it will be bit confusing, so I have made one note which will help you, and very easy method I'll going to teach you today, that how to find subject and predicate in your sentence. When you ask two questions, when you see any sentence, just ask these two questions, who or what. If you get the answer when you're going to ask who or what, the answer will be your subject, and the other one is verb and what the subject is doing. Means फर्स्ट चीज, सेंटेंस हमेशा दो पार्ट में डिवाइड होता है. जब हम कभी भी सेंटेंस लिखते हैं, जैसे कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे लिखती हूँ, इफ आई से सेंटेंस, ओके, तो सेंटेंस इज ऑलवेज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट. कोई भी सेंटेंस होगा वो दो पार्ट में होता है. फर्स्ट पार्ट क्या होता है? सब्जेक्ट होता है, और सेकंड पार्ट होता है प्रेडिकेट. अब हम सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट कैसे सर्च करेंगे? आप कैसे बताओगे कि ये सब्जेक्ट है, ये प्रेडिकेट है? इफ यू आस्क क्वेश्चन हु और व्हाट, जब आप क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे हु या व्हाट से, और आपको जो आंसर मिलेगा वो आंसर होता है सब्जेक्ट. और प्रेडिकेट में क्या होता है? वर्ब, और सेकेंड चीज होती है व्हाट द सब्जेक्ट इज डूइंग. सब्जेक्ट में क्या होता है? हम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं और उसका जो आंसर मिलता है वो होता है सब्जेक्ट. लेकिन प्रेडिकेट में ये होता है द वर्ब एंड व्हाट द subject is doing. I'll explain you the example. It will be easy to understand. See, the first sentence what I have written, the monkey ate a banana. ये सेंटेंस है. अब हमें इसमें सबसे पहले क्या करना है? हमें सबसे पहले ढूंढना है वर्ब, क्योंकि मैंने क्या लिखा है? प्रेडिकेट में हमेशा हमें याद रखना है वर्ब और व्हाट द सब्जेक्ट इज डूइंग. ये दो चीज हमें पता चल जाएगी, तो हमें पता चल जाएगा कि प्रेडिकेट क्या है पूरे सेंटेंस में. तो बट ऑब्वियस है, इट इज ऑफ कोर्स इट इज योर वर्ब. ओके, तो आपको वर्ब पता चल गया, तो नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू आस्क हु एट बनाना. ओके, तो आपका आंसर क्या आया? द मंकी. सो योर द मंकी इज योर सब्जेक्ट. Now what I have written over here, predicate में verb and what the subject is doing. Okay, so verb वर्ब हमने ऑलरेडी ढूंढ लिया पहले ही. अ बनाना. What monkey is doing? He ate a banana. तो हमारा verb और what the subject is doing, मतलब monkey क्या कर रहा है? Banana. He is eating banana. He ate a banana. तो हमारा ate a banana is a predicate. Now let's see the second one. The dog was barking loudly. अब हम क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले वर्ब ढूंढेंगे. तो was barking is your verb. Okay. Who was barking loud? The dog. So the dog is your subject. And predicted is verb and what is subject is doing. What dog is doing? Was barking loudly. So हमारा verb as well as was barking loudly, the remaining part is your predicted. Subject और predicate में 3 rules होते हैं. क्या रूल होता है? आपको predicate और subject ढूंढने के लिए क्या 3 rules है? सबसे पहले आपको सेंटेंस में वर्ब ढूंढना है. फिर वर्ब ढूंढने के बाद आपको हु या व्हाट से क्वेश्चन पूछना है. तो जो आंसर आया वो आपका सब्जेक्ट हो गया. और जो आपका वर्ब और उसके बाद में जो आपका रिमेनिंग पार्ट होता है वो हो गया आपका प्रेडिकेट. सी आई हैव रिटन ओवर हियर 3 रूल्स. आइडेंटिफाई द वर्ब. आपको सबसे पहले वर्ब को आइडेंटिफाई करना है. उसके बाद आस्क अ क्वेश्चन हु और व्हाट बिफोर द वर्ब. वर्ब के पहले आपको ढूंढना है, वर्ब के पहले आपको पूछना है क्वेश्चन हु या व्हाट से. ओके. उसके बाद द रिमेनिंग पार्ट एंड एज वेल एज वर्ब इज प्रेडिकेट. ओके. I'll just show you. No, it is not clear, no? I'll just show you like this. So this note will going to help you out. Always remember these 3 rules. Okay? Do not forget. Now I'll read your textbook. I hope you have understood now. Okay? So now let's read the textbook. A sentence is made up of 2 main parts, the subject and the predicate. The subject of a sentence is the noun or pronoun that is described or done the action. The subject tells us what the sentence is about. The predicate of a sentence gives us more information about the subject. The predicate also contains verb. This is what I told you over here. In here, predicate will going to tell you about the verb, what the subject is doing, that 2 things. Okay. And to find the subject is ask a who or what question. Okay. This is the very simple way I have explained you. If you remember this thing in your whole life, you will not going to forget how to find subject and predicate. Okay. So make sure you just remember or by heart this thing. In a sentence is made up of 2 main parts. Here a sentence is made up of 2 main parts, subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. The subject of a sentence is the noun or pronoun that is described or does the action. The subject tells us what the sentence is about. Yes. As I told you, if you'll ask a question who or what, definitely you'll come to know what the sentence is all about. The predicate of a sentence gives us more information about the subject. The predicate also contains a verb. Here I have already told you verb and what the subject is doing. Let's read this sentence. Here I've already written over here, but now here we'll discuss some. Okay, what it is? Your house is beautiful. What it is? Your house is beautiful and airy. मीन्स आपका घर काफी सुंदर है और हवा उजास भी काफी अच्छी है. सो what we have to do? We just have to find the verb first. What is the verb? Your verb is. And before is, what you have to do? You have to ask a question. What is beautiful and airy? Your house. So your is verb, as I told you. First step is identify the verb. Second step, ask a question, who or what, before the verb. So I got my verb. So I'll ask, what is beautiful and airy? So answer is your house. So your house is what? Subject. Now what I said, the third rule, the remaining part and as well as verb is predicate. So this verb and beautiful and airy is your predicate. Okay, let's see the one more example. She played football with her friend. Now what is your verb? Played. Played and football is your verb. So now we'll ask a question. Who played football with her friend? She. Your answer is she. So she will be again subject. And the remaining part and as well as verb. So from verb to the remaining part is your predicate. Okay. Both Seema and Naina act in the play. So for this, now you have to search. Okay. So with this note, I'll going to complete this chapter over here. I'll share the photo of chapter 15 exercise. So please finish your exercise properly, write neatly. And when I just write only one sentence in rewrite sentence, अगर मैं rewrite sentence में सिर्फ और सिर्फ आंसर वन वर्ड का लिखती हूँ, बट उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको सिर्फ एक वन वर्ड में ही लिखना है, आपको पूरा सेंटेंस लिखना है. मैं इनकम्प्लीट ही कंसीडर करूंगी अगर आपने उसे पूरा सेंटेंस में नहीं लिखा होगा तो. ओके, हैव अ गुड डे. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.